Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to achieve financial abundance. Today, we are delving into a realm that often seems elusive and out of reach, the world of billionaires. But it's not just about their extravagant lifestyles or jaw-dropping net worth. Today, we're focusing on the lesser-known yet more impactful aspect of their wealth, their money management skills. Billionaires, despite their seemingly limitless wealth, are often masters of the art of saving and frugal living. They understand the power of each dollar and know how to make it work for them. They don't just earn and spend, they strategize, budget, and invest. It's this mindset, this unique approach to wealth that sets them apart and enables them to build and maintain their fortunes. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 simple yet effective strategies that billionaires use to manage their money. You'll learn how they prioritize experiences over possessions, automate their savings, embrace minimalism, and much more. These aren't just tips for the super rich. These are practical strategies that anyone can implement, regardless of their financial situation. So, are you ready to adopt the billionaire's mindset and revolutionize your approach to money? If so, buckle up and let's dive into the world of billionaire money management. Ever wondered how billionaires manage their money? Today, we unlock the secrets of their financial management. It's not just about earning big, it's about managing well too. Because, let's face it, the real game begins when the money starts rolling in. The truth is, the way billionaires handle their finances is a world away from the average person, and there's a lot we can learn from their unique approach. They don't just spend and save, they invest, strategize, and make every penny count. They understand that money is a tool to be used wisely, not squandered. This video will take you on a journey into the mind of a billionaire, revealing the 10 key strategies they use to manage their money effectively. We'll be exploring a range of topics, each one a stepping stone on the path to financial wisdom. First, we'll delve into the importance of investing in experiences, not just possessions. We'll explore how billionaires automate their savings and why they often embrace a minimalistic lifestyle. We'll discuss the art of intelligent budgeting and the importance of negotiation and seeking out value in everything they buy. We'll also touch on how billionaires rethink their housing expenses and the role of continuous education in their financial success. And finally, we'll examine why quality is always prioritized over quantity in their spending habits. Billionaires know that their mindset is a crucial factor in their financial success. They understand that money management isn't just about the numbers. It's about the attitude, the approach, and the discipline. It's about understanding the value of money and using it to create a life of abundance and freedom. So, are you ready to uncover the ways of the billionaires? To delve deep into their mindset and learn from their financial strategies? If so, let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the first one. The first secret lies in their spending habits. Billionaires invest in experiences, not just possessions. You see, the real value lies in experiences that enrich our lives, not in objects that lose their shine over time. Just think about it. The thrill of a new purchase often fades, but the memory of a sunset on a remote beach or the thrill of a skydiving adventure, those are the moments that truly last. While we may be tempted to spend our hard-earned money on material possessions, billionaires understand that these items depreciate over time. Instead, they choose to invest in personal growth, adventures, and unforgettable travel experiences. These experiences not only create lasting memories, but also save them from unnecessary expenses on material possessions. So, the next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, will this create a lasting memory? The second technique is all about automation. Billionaires automate their savings. Now, you might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, it's quite straightforward. Automating your savings involves setting up automatic transfers from your primary income account to your savings account. This can be done on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, depending on your income schedule. What's the magic here? By automating your savings, you're taking the decision-making out of the equation. There's no room for second thoughts or impulsive spending. A portion of your earnings is transferred automatically to your savings, ensuring that you're consistently building your wealth, just like a billionaire. Moreover, this approach allows you to pay yourself first, a fundamental principle of personal finance. Before you spend money on anything else, you're making sure that a part of your income is being saved for your future. Remember, consistency is key to building wealth. Thirdly, billionaires often live minimalistically. They have grasped the concept that less can indeed be more. This lifestyle choice is not just about saving money, although that is undoubtedly a significant benefit. It's also about removing the unnecessary noise from their lives. By reducing their possessions to the essentials, they declutter their environment and, in turn, their minds. This leads to increased productivity and focus, two essential ingredients for financial success. Minimalism is about appreciating the value of things, rather than their quantity. It's about recognizing that happiness and contentment don't come from owning more stuff, but from meaningful experiences and relationships. And who wouldn't want to save money while also enhancing their quality of life? The beauty of minimalism lies in its simplicity. By consciously choosing to own less, not only do you reduce your expenses, but you also make room for more important things. Less is more, and in this case, less leads to more savings. Next, we delve into the art of intelligent budgeting. This is a cornerstone of financial success, a skill that billionaires have mastered over time. It's not about being stingy or depriving oneself. It's about making smart, informed decisions on where to allocate resources. Imagine your income as a pie. Each slice represents a category of spending: housing, food, transportation, entertainment, savings, and so on. Intelligent budgeting is about deciding the size of each slice, ensuring that the pie is distributed in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Detailed financial planning is a vital part of this process. It involves setting both short-term and long-term goals and mapping out a plan to achieve them. Maybe your short-term goal is to save for a vacation, while your long-term goal is to secure a comfortable retirement. By laying out these objectives clearly, you can tailor your budget to meet them. Remember, every dollar has a purpose. Decide what that purpose is before it leaves your account. This is the essence of intelligent budgeting. It's about being intentional with your money rather than letting it slip through your fingers. Next, we focus on resource allocation. It's essential to prioritize your expenses, distinguishing between essential and non-essential spending. Essentials like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, and utilities should be prioritized. Non-essentials, on the other hand, are areas where you can cut back if necessary. One way to do this is by adopting the 50-30-20 rule. This is a budgeting method where 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a good starting point for those new to budgeting. In conclusion, intelligent budgeting is about making informed decisions. It's about taking control of your financial life and steering it in the direction you want to go. By creating a detailed financial plan and allocating your resources wisely, you can build a strong financial foundation. Remember, an informed decision today leads to a wealthy tomorrow. Billionaires are expert negotiators. They never settle for the first price. Why is this important? Well, it's simple. The art of negotiation is a powerful tool in the pursuit of financial abundance. It can save you significant amounts of money, whether you're buying a car, a house, or even negotiating your salary. Billionaires understand that the listed price is often just a starting point. They are not afraid to question it, to push for a better deal. They know their value, and they ensure they get it. They also stay informed about market prices so they can negotiate from a position of knowledge and power. This doesn't mean being unreasonable or unfair. It's about seeking value and fair exchange. It's about understanding that there's often room for discussion in financial transactions. So, next time you're about to make a purchase, remember, the best deal is often hidden behind a negotiation. Billionaires rethink their housing expenses. They don't overspend on properties. That's right. Even when it seems like they have all the money in the world, billionaires are still strategic about their housing investments. Instead of pouring money into extravagant properties just for the sake of luxury, they think about the long-term value and potential returns. They consider alternatives to traditional housing. Have you heard of house hacking? It's where you rent out part of your house to offset the mortgage. Or they might consider downsizing to a smaller, more manageable property. Even renting is not off the cards if it makes financial sense. Remember, billionaires see real estate as an investment, not just a place to live. They focus on how it can contribute to their wealth rather than drain it. So, the next time you're thinking about your housing expenses, try to see it through their eyes. A home is a place of comfort, not a financial burden. Education is a lifelong journey for billionaires, especially when it comes to finance. It's not just about having a surplus of money, but understanding how to make that money work for you. This is where continuous financial education comes into play. Billionaires are always on the lookout for new and effective investment strategies. They keep themselves updated with the latest financial trends and market developments. This constant learning and adaptation allow them to make informed decisions and optimize their portfolios for maximum returns. But it's not just about investment strategies. They also understand the value of personal finance management. They educate themselves about tax laws, insurance policies, and retirement planning. They understand that every financial decision, no matter how small, can have a significant impact on their overall wealth. Moreover, they don't shy away from seeking professional help. They engage with financial advisors, tax consultants, and wealth management experts. They understand that these professionals have specialized knowledge that can help them navigate the complex world of finance. But why is continuous education so crucial? Well, the world of finance is not static. It's constantly changing. New investment opportunities arise, tax laws can change, and economic conditions fluctuate. By staying informed, billionaires can adapt to these changes and make the best possible decisions for their financial health. Also, it's not just about preserving wealth. Continuous financial education also equips them to take calculated risks. They understand that high returns often require taking on higher risk. But it's not about reckless gambling. It's about making informed decisions based on thorough research and sound understanding. So, if you want to manage your wealth like a billionaire, never stop learning. Read books, attend seminars, follow financial news, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Remember, it's not just about earning money, but understanding how to effectively manage and grow that money. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's financial power. Quality over quantity. That's the mantra billionaires live by. In their pursuit of financial success, billionaires recognize the value in investing in high-quality products that stand the test of time. They understand that while these products might require a higher initial investment, they save money in the long run by avoiding the frequent replacements and repairs associated with cheaper alternatives. Consider this: a pair of high-quality shoes might cost you twice as much as a cheaper pair. But if they last 4 times longer, aren't you better off in the long run? It's this kind of forward thinking that sets billionaires apart. They're not just considering the immediate cost, but the future savings as well. Moreover, investing in quality also means less waste and a smaller ecological footprint. So it's not just good financial sense, it's responsible consumerism too. The bottom line? Invest in quality and it will pay off. So those were the 10 simple ways to save money just like a billionaire. Each of these techniques offers a unique approach to managing your finances, allowing you to create a solid foundation for wealth accumulation. We started off by understanding the importance of investing in experiences over mere possessions. This approach not only enriches your life with unforgettable memories, but also prevents wasteful spending on depreciating assets. Next, we delved into the significance of automating your savings. This technique ensures a portion of your income is safely tucked away, safeguarding your financial future against impulsive purchases and unnecessary expenses. We then explored the concept of minimalistic living. By embracing a lifestyle of fewer possessions and reduced consumption, you can alleviate financial stress and find joy in the simplicity of life. Intelligent budgeting was our fourth point. Crafting a detailed financial plan encompassing short-term and long-term goals allows you to allocate resources wisely and stay on track towards achieving your financial dreams. We also highlighted the importance of negotiation and seeking deals. By never settling for the initial price and staying informed about market rates, you can save substantial amounts on your purchases. Rethinking housing expenses was our next point of discussion. A strategic approach to real estate, considering options such as downsizing, house hacking, or renting, can save you a significant amount of money. We then emphasize the need for continuous financial education. By staying updated on investment strategies, personal finance, and wealth management, you can make informed decisions that enhance returns and savings. Finally, we discussed the importance of prioritizing quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality, long-lasting products, despite their higher upfront cost, can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacements. In conclusion, these billionaire-inspired techniques can be instrumental in reshaping your financial habits. By implementing these strategies, you can start paving your path towards financial abundance. Remember, financial abundance is within everyone's reach. Start saving like a billionaire today.